Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
When I go with confidence, when I go to it, roll like hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors yell, turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me. We know shine bright like royalty. We know still keep a dignity and wine. So kind of your neck is stolen. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend you had me thinking, oh, almost kidding. I lift my head up like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Junoda Wig. Shout out to you, Junoda, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it so much. So the unit that I am rocking is their Junoda Wig Deep Wave HD Lace Frontal Human Hair Wig Pre-Plucked Brazilian Version Hair. This unit is available in 4x4, 5x5, 13x4, and 13x6. So you can get this unit in all of those. It is also available in the densities 150 and 180. And the length that it is available in is 12 to 30 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and look at their product details. And it says Deep Wave 4x4 and all of the other child specs that it has. It says it is 100% natural human hair. It's Brazilian hair, and it has a transparent color best Swiss lace. It's a free part unit. It's an average size, and it is in a natural color. And the rest is just basically talking about the shipping and all of that good stuff. So let me go ahead and see if I can figure out the details that they sent me. So with the unit that I personally have on, they did send me the 13x4. It is 24 inches long. And if I'm not mistaken, they said that they sent me 180% density. I'm going to go ahead and look and see. It's definitely given, yeah, it's definitely given 180, and it does say it is 180% density. Now, it does state that this unit is pre-tweezed, and oh girl, like I always like to say, she woke up like this. Honey, I did not touch as far as tweezing and stuff go, I did not touch this unit whatsoever. I did decide to go ahead and bleach the knots. The knots were pretty dense, so I did decide to bleach the knots. but that is like a personal preference. That's not something that you have to do if you don't want to do. I feel like tweezing versus bleaching, to me, tweezing is more tedious than bleaching. Like I can bleach a wig and then walk off. With tweezing, I'm just doing it. It's a tedious process, you know what I mean? So I always prefer a unit to be pre-tweezed versus pre-bleached, girl. Okay, that's just me. Okay, so as far as this unit goes, as far as big head friendliness, I feel like this unit is more so on the big head friendly side, but it does also come with an elastic band, and you can adjust it how you need to. Like if you want to, you can make it super, super tight or super loose. I feel like it makes this unit more, I feel like you can wear it across the board, okay? It's not gonna fit, like if you have a smaller cap size, then you're gonna have to really make it tight, but I feel like you can still make it work, but it's definitely more big head to large head friendly than not. So just kind of bear that in mind. As far as shedding and tangling, honestly, I did not receive either. Well, no, I did receive some shedding when I brushed the unit out, but that's to be expected. It is a deep wave unit. So just kind of be mindful of that. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and length check, then please continue to watch. Okay, so if you watch me, then you already know I like to start with my cons because I like to end on a high note. My con with this unit would be the fact that it is it is a 13 by 4. Okay, it's a 13 by 4 unit. Another con would be the transparent lace. I don't feel like this lace will blend in well for everyone. I feel like it blended in nicely for me, especially after I put my makeup on top of it, but I don't think transparent lace in general blends for everyone. But I ain't mad at it, but I do like to throw it out there when I think it's something that would be a hindrance for anybody else of any sort, you know, different shades or whatever. So I want to throw that out there as well, and those are my cons. My pros would be the fact that it came pre-tweezed, and you guys know your girl is lazy. So I love for a unit to wake up fine, honey. Okay, I just do. Also, I love the texture of this unit. It is a deep wave, but it feels really, really nice. Like, it is super, super, just like full looking, but it's not too much, okay? It's not so much hair that I feel overwhelmed. It just gives this really, really nice vacay sort of feel. So I love that as well, and those are my pros with this unit. I would personally recommend this unit. I feel like this company is really, really affordable for really, really, you know, nice hair, especially for the pricing and the fact that it does come pre-tweezed. Like, I feel like you can't beat that with a stick. So shout out to you once again, Junoda, for just being that company. Okay, girl? So yeah, I would personally recommend this unit. All right, y'all, let's do this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Where it comes to me, keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. At first, I was kind of wondering if this unit was given 24 inches or not, but I definitely feel like it is. Let me know what you guys think down below, if it's given 24 inches to you or not. I feel like it may be 24 inches stretched completely out, but it is given 24 inches now that I like really look at it on me, and I am 5'4", so I'm not the tallest person in the world. So just kind of be mindful of that, and I want you guys to let me know down below if you feel like it is given 24 inches to you. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about this unit down below. Sound off in the comments. Once again, shout out to you, Junoda, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
The looks your love completely